Hello everyone, hope you all are doing fine. In this tutorial, we will be discussing about Introduction to C and basic syntax of C. C is a general purpose high level language that was originally developed by Dennis M. Ritchie to develop Unix operating systems at Bell Lab. The Unix operating system and the C compiler and all essential applications of the Unix operating system have been written in C. And now C is widely used professional language across the globe. The C is mainly chosen by professionals because it's easy to learn, it's structured language, it produces efficient programs, it can handle low-level activities, and it can be compiled on a variety of computer platforms. C language was developed in succession to another language called as B language, which was introduced in early 1970s. A C program can vary from 3 lines to millions of lines, and it can be written into one or more text files with an extension .c. A C program basically consists of the following parts: a preprocessor command, functions, variables, statements and expressions, and comments. To understand this better, let's look at a simple code. So here is the program. Here you can see that the program consists of 7 different lines. And when you execute this program, you will get hello viewers as the output. So let's understand this program step by step. In the first line of the program, hash include stdio.h is a preprocessor command which tells a C compiler to include stdio.h file before actual compilation. The next line, int main, is a main function where the program execution begins. And the next line is comment line, and this line will be ignored by the compiler. So whatever text you put into this comment line will not be executed by the compiler. And the next line is printf. It's another built-in function available in C which causes the message hello viewers to be displayed on the screen. And the last line, return 0, it terminates the main function and returns the value 0. When we discuss about functions, you will understand better about return 0. Now we have seen the basic structure of C programming language. Now let's look at the basic building blocks of C programming language. There are 6 basic building blocks of C programming language. Those are tokens, semicolons, comments, identifiers, keywords, and white space. In C programming, token is either a keyword, an identifier, a constant, or a string literal, or just a symbol. For example, consider the following statement: printf hello viewers. The individual tokens present in this statement are printf parenthesis open, hello viewers parenthesis close, and the semicolon. And the second basic building block is semicolons. In C programming language, the semicolon is a statement terminator. So whenever you want to end a statement, you have to end it with a semicolon. This indicates the end of a logical entity. The third basic building block is comments. Comments are like helping text in your C programming language, and they are just ignored by the compiler when compiling a program. The fourth one is identifiers. Just as the name specifies, an identifier is a name used to identify a variable, a function, or any other user-defined items. An identifier should start with alphabets or an underscore, and it is followed by 0 or more letters. The fifth one is keywords. Please note down all the keywords that you can see on screen. We will be using them in our future chapters. Keywords are reserved words in C language, and these reserved words cannot be used as constants, variables, or any other identifier names. Whitespace is simply nothing but space. Whitespace separates one part of a statement from another part and enables the compiler to identify where one element in a statement such as int ends and the next element begins.